Today, let's talk casual dating. What is casual dating? To me, casual dating is attention without intention. It means I will give you all the attention you need for us to be together for a limited period of time without any intention of letting it go further. It means I have no intentions of making any emotional investment. I am with you until I find someone better. Let us not be exclusive. We are both free to date other people if that's what we want. Do not emotionally invest in me and do not expect me to emotionally invest in you. That is what casual dating means. So if you're the sort who can handle it, go ahead. I'm sure it can be a lot of fun. And if you aren't, you know what to do with it. This was just information. The choices are yours. And let me know what you want to talk about on All Things Single next. See you.